If you are about to start your journey or to venture into the crypto industry, or you are really new, this video is meant for you. It will save you from making a lot of mistakes and even save you tons of regret in your journey. Many new people who come into crypto make this one mistake and one purchase that literally destroy their lives and make them see crypto as a Ponzi scheme, as something that depends on someone buying and someone selling behind the scene, robbing Paul to pay Peter. You see meme coins, they are cheap, trending, and you hear people saying it will move. The next thing that can turn your $10 into 50 million, and you just buy out of fear, out of FOMO. But there's one thing you don't know. Before purchasing, the game is already over. Because before you ever heard of this token, the insider have already bought. Those are the friends and families of the person who created the token, because the token is created by someone. And they bring the hype. They pay influencers to post about it, to talk about it. And they are just waiting for you to press the buy button. And once you press the buy, they are behind the scene. They press the sell. And then the token drops by 50%. You are still having hope. It drops by 70%. They are still telling you to hold. There will be retracement. And then it drops by 90%. Your money doesn't just disappear. It moves to someone's wallet. You see meme coins? They have no real product. They have no demand. And they have no future. They just survive based on hype. And you know, hypes die. Trends die with time. Trends doesn't survive forever. And that is the basic thing that meme coins survive for. And that is why utility tokens are always your way out. They are used every day. They are used to pay gas fees, power the ecosystem, power the apps. We have utility tokens like Ice Blockchain, which is powering the online plus a social media token. Imagine like what WhatsApp or Facebook have a token powering the activities. We have Solana, we have BNB. They are all used in the ecosystem for various purposes. You see, meme coins are like casinos. Utility tokens are like infrastructure. If you are new into crypto, I would advise you to first go for utility and survive first, and then think of navigating to the meme coin cycle. If you are watching this video, comment in the comment section what utility token that is currently undervalued, that you are currently making research on or you are holding. As for me, it's not a financial advice. I'm still holding eyes, making my research on it. I'm not telling you to buy, but you can also look for utility tokens. And then remember, this is not a financial advice. And actually, meme coins are not that bad. There are exceptional ones which you can find, but before you find them, you must have meet like over 80 to 90 bad ones. So stay close to Crypto-Fotismós. Catch you in the next video. Thank you.